Now just for the record, for anyone that's tearing one of these down, this is your standard $14 Dio Honda Elite flywheel puller. Okay? This is a combination one that I bought for the Dio is on one side, the Ruckus is on the other up here. It's bigger. You will need a Honda Ruckus flywheel tool to pull the flywheel on this. And you can see how the Motion Pro holds it. Now I'm going to pop the flywheel deal in here and push on the crankshaft and hopefully pop this off. And after I pop it off, we'll see what we got. This may seem long and tedious, but it's for my records too. Because 10 years from now, I may have to do this again. I'll go, oh, you know what? I'll just look at my old videos instead of guessing.